Hi, Gary at Broadlane, Alcester. The contact number here is 01789 763432. The postcode for your sat nav is B495QD. This has just arrived. It's a 2020 Swift Elegance Grande 850. One owner from new, supplied by Broadlane with full and complete service history. Let me tell you a little bit about it. Apart from the obvious, as in it's twin axle and it's 8 foot wide, it comes with an all-wheel drive motor mover system. Bodywork's absolutely pristine. Anyway, let me show you around inside. So the 850 model there, 8 foot wide as I said earlier, and this features the L-shaped lounge, a super spacious lounge, 2 colour and contoured overhead lockers. It's got Swift Command including DAB radio system, Alder heating system, solar panel and alarm. It features a tall fridge freezer. The cookie unit, just to let you know, is absolutely immaculate. I don't believe that's ever been used. It's got the kitchen omni-vent, full-size panoramic window at the front and hecky opening roof light. Got the decorative detailing on the door as you walk through to the washroom in the middle. You've got the round shower on one side, wash basin loo on the other side. At the very, very back here, we've got island bed, speaker system, and it also has not only lots of storage, but it's got an Isabella awning with it too. We offer part exchange. In fact, we offer great part exchange. Finance subject to status. Please ask us. We've got some good rates on at the moment. Once again, it's Gary on Broadlane. It's Mark on camera. And on that note, we look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you very much.